What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today, after a long time, we have a mini GT which we are doing a review on today. And talking about mini GT, I haven't done actually mini GTs in a while, but I'm coming up with some mini GTs because I've got hooked up with my local dealer and I'm bringing down some amazing detailed editions for you guys and to do the reviews as well. So all the new releases will be featured on our channel and for you guys to enjoy. So talking about today, I have one of my favorite castings from mini GT, which is the GTR R35. So talking about this specific GTR R35, we have the metallic yellow with the carbon parts. So the metallic yellow with the carbon parts, I've actually seen a few pictures of this, and even for the pictures it looks amazing. And talking about the details wise, GTR R35, the best is done by Mini GT, and Mini GT has come up with some amazing detailed, amazing models from GTR R35s as well as few other JDM producers. And let's get into it and see for more details. Let's get out of this from the box. And usually the Mini GTs comes in a protective plastic case like this, and then that car looks amazing. Okay, so talking about the model, it comes in a protective plastic case which actually shoots into the car, and you guys have to just slip the car outside. It's a bit tight, but you guys can slip it out because they have done a protective car pack because it doesn't go anywhere. And you guys can see comparatively the packaging box is a bit small, so in order to protect the car and prevent it from damages happening to the car, they have put it in and they have nicely packaged it. I did do some reviews on the packaging and how quality the packaging is in some previous videos, and now we have the Mini GT R35, the metallic with the carbon parts. You guys can see the front and as well as the rear bump. There's a ducktail and the side skirts and everything is on carbon fiber. So carbon fiber with yellow is actually amazing. And if you guys can remember, I did a review on Metropolitan Yellow, which was actually in the Liberty Walk body kit, but now we have the Phantom body kit. So Phantom body kits are actually famous for their ducktails and white body. And talking about this specific model, it actually looks amazing. When you actually see it in person, more than seeing it in pictures or a video, it looks really amazing. And talking about the weight wise, the details wise, Mini GT has done a really good job, like always when it comes to GTR R35s. So there you have it, guys, the Mini GT R35 in the metallic yellow with the carbon parts. So here's another Phantom body kit R35 into our collection and for you guys to enjoy. And as always, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news, as we're bringing in all the new releases and as well as all the vintage releases that were there from different brands. And hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next video very soon.